What is up, everybody? We're back with another video, and this video is going to be regarding the Mugen style lip replica. I got it under $300, but it came unpainted. I got a lot of questions why I didn't get the authentic one. It was about a 7 to 8 month wait. Painted, I'm pretty sure it's like $650 or $675, and I'm pretty sure the shipping as well is over $200, and I wasn't paying that just for the front lip when I have this whole lip that's literally identical except for the Mugen mark I don't really like anyway right there, for $400. And I just ordered the side skirts a couple days ago. I'm gonna wait for them to get in as well, and I recently sourced the back piece as well from the same company. Have that painted, throw it on the car. But as far as today, it's going to be the front lip install, and I just have the weather stripping here. I'm going to try to apply all the way around. Hopefully it goes on pretty well. But as far as like the paint goes, it turned out super nice, super clean. I'll have to have like a light on for it so you can see what the paint match looks like. So what I'm finding out about this weather strip, it's really nice, definitely long enough. I tried to mock it up with this on, but it just keeps falling off the lip, so I pretty much skinned a little bit of it, of the red taping on the back. So you might be better off if you're doing the same install just to skin the whole red thing, just to lay it across, because it's not going to stay otherwise. So now that all the weather stripping is on, it looks super clean. You see, this is how much I had to cut off for the extra, but extra is better than none. So what I'll have to do is take this screw out. It's got another like screw to go here, which I might use depending on how it sticks. I need to get a rag to wipe this off. And I think after I'm done, until the other lip comes in for the sides and the back, I might take the red pinstripe off, because I just put it back on like a month or so ago. But I didn't think I was going to come across this deal. And then the two clips that line up here, you have to take those off under. And pretty self-explanatory. Take the double-sided tape off, stick it on. So I have to get them two clips out. Just got to take the screw out on the end over there, slide it on, do your adjustments, and should be fitted. So after you get all your stuff prepped, get all the screws out, prep it with some rubbing alcohol to get all the dirt off that you can see here. Lay it on there, mock it up to where you like it, put the screws in, and then you should be good to go from there. So I got it all on. I just got to put these two screws, like one up here, and the same thing for the other side, but it looks super good. I think the next video I'm going to take the red stripe off the side here, but until I get the side skirts in, and in the rear, and I'm just going to have them painted at the same time. But it looks super nice. I love how it changed the front end of this car. When I get the whole kit, it's going to look completely different, but it looks super nice. I'm happy with the outcome. Paint matched really well too. I have a buddy that did it for me, so he does a lot of good quality work. Turned out super clean. Now I gotta wash the rest of the car. It's super dirty. But if you're wondering, you want to get this lip, fits super nice. Comes with nice weather stripping. No gaff really at all. This is sitting tight all the way around. Happy with it. I'm happy with how everything turned out. Have a bolt here, the original screw there, the clips under on both sides. And if you want me to link this, I'll link the actual website that has, I think they're priced individually, but you can buy them and add them to obviously your car at the same time, purchase them. I think when I was looking at the side skirts when I got them, the rear was still sold out, so I had to go look to see if they're available still, but it turned out so good. Fitment is really nice, like I said, but I'll leave the link down below if you have any questions. This has been Shane.